Magandang gabi sa lahat at kumusta ang Pasko at bagong taon? Well, it's 2015 and this is gonna be our first video for this year. So, I'm thinking as our first video for 2015, maybe we should learn how to say the 12 months in Tagalog. So, simulan natin. And for this video, I'm thinking we can do January to June, so we can focus on the syllables. Okay, let's start with January. It's the month of January, and to say January in Tagalog, Enero. Say that again. Ro. Enero. Enero. And next to January is February or Pebrero. Ro. Pebrero. Pebrero. March or Marso. 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 April in Tagalog is Abril. Abril. April sa Tagalog ay Abril. At sunod naman, May. Month of May sa Tagalog ay Mayo. 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 And last for this video, the month of June sa Tagalog ay Hunyo. 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 So that's half of our 12 months in a year, and on the next video, let's do the other half, and that's July to December. For now, mag-review tayo. We have January, o sa Tagalog ay Enero. 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 February, Pebrero. Pebrero. March, Marso. And April, Abril. Abril. May, Mayo. Mayo. And June, Hunyo. Hunyo. So, yan ang kalahati ng ating 12 months sa isang taon. At sa next video, let's do July hanggang December. So, that's all for tonight. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Good night.